Hello, hello, hello. It is LaMeel from LaMeel.com, and today we are going into day 5 of aligning with miracles. And I know I've been saying 28 days, and that is because there is going to be a few videos that take you through like the reevaluation and all of that kind of stuff. So it turns out to be 28 days, but this journey is actually 20 days of lessons. Okay, so hopefully that clarifies everything. So we are talking about aligning with miracles, and today is about expecting miracles. And I know that I listed this as one of those things that you needed to do in a different day, right? But today we're going to go a little bit deeper in there and what you can do for tomorrow. So hopefully you are watching this, and let me stop. If this is the first video that you've seen, stop here, go over and to the home page and find day 1, right? Start there and then watch accordingly so that you can build these lessons one on top of the other. So that being said, we're talking about expecting miracles. And in order to have an anticipation and the excitement, because you know when you're expecting something, right? Like even if it's a baby coming, or it's the day you're picking up your new car, or you're starting a job that you really love, and all that kind of stuff. There's an excitement that kind of builds and is bubbling. You're going to Disneyland, you're going on vacation tomorrow, you can't sleep. It is that type of excitement and expecting that you need to have for this miracle that you are aligning with, right? So one time everything that happened to me, I was like, oh, is that where it's coming from? Oh, maybe. Oh, the phone's ringing. They must be getting ready to tell me. Like it was just everything. I was anticipating it so much to where I was excited to do everything, to see people, to go places, because this could be the minute, this could be the moment, this is when it could actually happen. And so it is that excitement that caused it to manifest in a very short period of time, because I just was excited. I was expecting it. And the way that you can really get into a place of expecting, right? I'm expecting it. Why are you expecting it? Because you know that you know that you know it is going to happen. So for those of you who don't know, I have 8 children. So all the times that I am pregnant and I'm getting more excited for this baby to come, because nobody's pregnant forever, right? So it's not like, oh, I am pregnant, but I just don't know when the baby's, no, like, you know this baby is coming. This baby may be earlier than you think. Baby may take a little bit longer than you thought, but the baby is coming. The baby is coming. The baby is coming. The baby's coming. I'm so excited. The baby's coming. I got to get ready. You know what I'm saying? Like, you expecting money, clean your purse out, clean your wallet out. There's specific stuff you're buying with that money. Clean that space out. Make space for that. The same way that you prepare for that baby, right? If you got a new job, you buying the clothes you need, you getting your hair cut, getting shaved, getting your hair done, getting your nails done, whatever the job requires, buying the uniform. Baby's coming, you buying clothes, you buying the perfect chair to sit in and rock the baby. All of that stuff. That is the energy of expectancy. And that is the energy you need to have about your miracle. You need to be in the energy of expecting and knowing. You just have to know. If you don't know, and I told you this earlier on, right? Don't pick something that you don't believe that you deserve. Don't pick stuff that you don't believe you can have. If your mind can conceive it, then you can manifest it and achieve it. If you cannot conceptualize what it is that you're wanting to happen for you, it will not happen. It will not happen until you can believe it in your mind. So don't pick stuff that you just don't fucking believe. Not right now. This is your practice zone, right? So you start small and then you build your confidence because you continuously start to manifest things. And then you can say, I don't know how this can happen, but I really believe it will happen. Boom, there it is, right? And then once you've done that, it's like, oh shit, if that could happen, what what if I ask for this? Like, come on, universe, let's see what happens. And that is how it grows and expands for you. Okay, so you have to know, you have to lead your day and end your day with the expectancy. Like, didn't come today, but maybe it'll be here tomorrow. And like when you're pregnant, it's like, oh, at any time. Sometimes you wake up and you're like, oh, I gotta pee. Is this my water breaking? Like you are always in that energy of expectancy. If you're the man and your wife is like, oh, you're like, is it time? Is it time? Like that is the energy you need to have around this miracle coming. It's coming. Is it coming from here? Is it coming from there? If you're expecting a package, because listen, I almost daily, I almost daily get deliveries from Amazon, like 7 days a week. And I'm laughing because it is so funny to me that I remember a time when I was like, man, I would love to get packages regularly. Wouldn't it be great if I could get like stuff every day, like just something in the mail every fucking day? But here I am. Do you remember when you were wanting what you have right now? Do you remember when you were wanting to move into the place that you live right now? Do you remember when you were wanting the car that you drive right now, right? That energy, that is a manifestation. You did that. So now be in a state of expecting what it is that you are looking to align with now, that miracle that you're waiting for, that miracle that you need, and whether that miracle is financial, whether that miracle is the courage to do something, whether that miracle is having the wherewithal to make a commitment to something that you're going to see through to the end, whether that miracle is being opened enough for more growth and expansion in your mind, in your body, in your soul, in your life. So that is it for today. I hope this brought you a lot of value. Get in that energy of expecting. Leave me messages down below and tell me, what are you expecting? What miracle are you aligning with? How is it going? How are you keeping yourself excited and in that state of expectancy? Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you've missed any of the videos, please go back, watch all of the videos so that you can build on your alignment with your miracle. I also have contact information down below if you'd like to join my Lux and Light Sacred Circle. The link is there, as well as for Alignment Boss. That is our coaching program. So if you are not new to miracles and you're not new to manifesting, but where you struggle is in staying in alignment, then Alignment Boss is for you. We don't teach the process. We keep you in alignment, and we are constantly training and giving new information on how to get into alignment, because for everybody it's different, because you're at different levels, and how to deal with it. And we walk you through issues that you're having. It's an amazing group of people. It's an amazing program. That link is below as well, and along with some other information. So, and if you have questions about this video, you can at me on Instagram at LaMeel or at LaMeel Magic, and you can send me DMs pertaining to any of these videos, and I will get back to you as soon as possible.